Alright, let's play a little game. Imagine this: you've meticulously crafted your investment portfolio on M1 Finance. You've set up your pies, you're automating your contributions, and you're feeling pretty good about your financial future. Then, bam! Something happens. Maybe it's a technical glitch, maybe you have a question about a specific transaction, or maybe you just want to update your account details. You need to contact M1 Finance, but how? We've all been there, right? Stuck in an endless loop of automated phone menus or searching through vague FAQ pages. You just want to talk to a real person, or at least get a clear, concise answer to your question. So, today, we're going to demystify the process of contacting M1 Finance. We're going to explore all the avenues available to you, and we're going to break down the pros and cons of each one. We'll also cover some tips and tricks to help you get the fastest and most effective resolution to your issue. First, let's understand the landscape of M1 Finance. M1 is a platform built for automation and efficiency. They're designed to be a self-directed investing platform, which means they prioritize digital tools and resources. This is fantastic for streamlining your investing, but it can sometimes make direct contact a bit less straightforward than traditional brokerages. The first and arguably most important resource is M1 Finance's Help Center. This is where you'll find a wealth of information on everything from account setup and funding to trading and portfolio management. Think of it as your first line of defense. Before reaching out directly, take some time to explore the Help Center. You can search for specific keywords, browse through categories, and often find answers to common questions. Here's why this is crucial. Speed and efficiency: often, the answer you're looking for is already documented in the Help Center. This saves you time and eliminates the need to wait for a response from support. Comprehensive information: M1 Finance regularly updates its Help Center with new articles and tutorials, ensuring you have access to the latest information. Troubleshooting guides: many common issues can be resolved by following the step-by-step guides provided in the Help Center. To access the Help Center, simply visit M1 Finance's website and look for the Help or Support section. It's usually located in the footer or navigation menu. Once you're in the Help Center, utilize the search bar effectively. Be specific with your keywords to narrow down your results. For example, instead of searching account issues, try how to change my bank account details. Submitting a support request: the digital ticket system. If you can't find the answer you need in the Help Center, your next step is to submit a support request. This is M1 Finance's preferred method of handling customer inquiries. Here's how it works. Locate the support request form. Within the Help Center, you should find a link or button that says Contact Us, Submit a Request, or something similar. Fill out the form. You'll be asked to provide your name, email address, and a detailed description of your issue. Be as specific as possible. Include any relevant account numbers, transaction IDs, or screenshots. Choose a category. M1 Finance typically categorizes support requests to ensure they're routed to the appropriate team. Select the category that best matches your issue. Submit your request. Once you've filled out the form, submit it and wait for a response from M1 Finance. Tips for submitting a successful support request: be clear and concise. Avoid rambling or providing unnecessary details. Stick to the facts and clearly state your question or problem. Provide context. Explain the situation in detail, including what steps you've already taken to try and resolve the issue. Include screenshots or documentation. If applicable, attach screenshots or other relevant documentation to your request. This can help M1 Finance understand your issue more quickly. Be patient. While M1 Finance strives to respond to support requests in a timely manner, it may take some time depending on the volume of inquiries. Email support: a direct, but less immediate option. While the support request system is the primary method, you can also try reaching out via email. However, it's important to understand that email responses might take longer than those generated through the support ticket system. If you choose to email, be sure to use the email address provided on M1 Finance's website. Again, be specific and detailed in your email and include any relevant information. M1 Finance primarily focuses on digital communication, but they do offer limited phone support. It's important to understand that phone support is not always available and may be reserved for urgent or complex issues. To find the phone number, you'll need to look for it within their help center or contact page. It is not always readily advertised. Availability: phone support may be limited to specific hours or days. Wait times: be prepared for potential wait times, especially during peak hours. Issue resolution: phone support is generally best for urgent or complex issues that require immediate attention. Social media: a potential but unreliable avenue. While M1 Finance maintains a presence on social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn, these are not ideal channels for direct customer support. Social media is better suited for general inquiries, announcements, and community engagement. While you might get a response to a general question, it's unlikely you'll receive personalized support for account-specific issues. Why digital first? Understanding M1 Finance's approach. M1 Finance's emphasis on digital communication is driven by several factors. Efficiency: digital tools allow them to handle a large volume of inquiries quickly and efficiently. Scalability: as a growing company, digital communication allows them to scale their support operations without significantly increasing overhead. Automation: many common issues can be resolved through automated processes and self-service resources. Security: digital communication allows for secure and documented interactions. Proactive steps. The best way to contact M1 Finance is to avoid needing to contact them in the first place. Here are some proactive steps you can take. Familiarize yourself with the platform. Take the time to explore M1 Finance's features and functionalities. Read the Help Center. Regularly review the Help Center for updates and new information. Double-check your transactions. Carefully review your transactions and account activity to ensure accuracy. Keep your account information up to date. Ensure your contact information, bank account details, and other personal information are accurate and up to date. Use two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication to enhance the security of your account. M1 Finance primarily utilizes digital support channels, including its help center and support request system. Phone support is available, but limited. Social media is not a reliable channel for direct customer support. Proactive steps can help you avoid the need to contact M1 Finance. The Help Center should always be your first step. Ultimately, understanding M1 Finance's communication channels is crucial for a smooth and efficient investing experience. By utilizing the resources available to you, you can quickly and effectively resolve any issues that may arise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.